In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off a bad debt in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner or someone managing finances, understanding how to handle bad debts is crucial, and QuickBooks makes this process straightforward and manageable. First, you will need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. To get started, look for the New button at the top left corner of your screen. The button opens a variety of transaction types that you can initiate, reflecting QuickBooks' user-friendly interface. Clicking on New brings up a menu of options. Here, you'll need to select Credit Memo. A credit memo is vital as it allows you to record and recognize that a debt is no longer collectible by adjusting your income accordingly. Once you're in the credit memo screen, it's time to select the customer associated with the bad debt. This ensures that the credit memo is applied to the correct account, reflecting the unpaid amount accurately in your records. Next, under the section for writing products or services associated with this credit memo, you will select Bad Debt. If you haven't already set up an item called Bad Debt, you'll need to create it here. Setting it up involves specifying it as a non-taxable item linked to your income category. This itemization helps clarify which receivables have gone unfulfilled, maintaining the transparency and integrity of your financial records. Now, carefully enter the amount of the debt that you wish to write off. This detail is crucial because QuickBooks will automatically apply the credit memo to the specified account. Ensure that the amount is accurate to avoid any discrepancies in your books, as consistency plays a key role in financial reporting. Once all these details are in place, double-check that all entries reflect your intentions accurately. After a final review, the next step is to click Save. With the credit memo saved, QuickBooks will now have recorded the bad debt, adjusting your income and accounts receivable figures as necessary. This simple process enables you to maintain clear, accurate financial records, a crucial part of sound financial management. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to write off a bad debt in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your accounts and address any unforeseen financial challenges easily. This procedure not only saves you time, but also ensures you're keeping your books as neat and up-to-date as possible. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll be well prepared to handle bad debts whenever they arise. Thanks for joining today, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful QuickBooks tips.